Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to discuss all about how to create a login and registration form using React.js. So right now this is a default login page. So inside that you need to enter the details, admin, and write any name as you want, and then enter the password. When you press sign in, you have received the details inside the console, and also have a validation to manage your input fields, like without filling any details inside there. You can't see any changes inside there because you need to enter the details inside there. So if you don't have an account, you can click on the set I need to sign up. So I use admin, and I'm gonna add the password. Hit enter. You have received the details inside the console, right? And also have the same thing inside there. When you will press register, you can't see any changes inside there because it is simple validation. So let me tell with you guys how you can create it from scratch. So I go to my code editor, and then I'm going to stop my project. I need to outside of the sign up form, and I'm going to create it. Copy npm create, first clear screen, npm create read and modest. Then you need to enter the project name. So I need to enter copy sign in, same where the React. Okay, yeah, so TypeScript. So in this project copy sign in, we need to install the npm node package manager. So you need to enter sign in, copy sign in, sign in, write the command npm install, and you need to wait to install the node package manager. So once you have installed node package manager inside your React project, then you can use React inside your PC. So let's get started to create a sign in and sign up form. So I'm going to close it, and I go to my copy sign in folder, open it in the VS Code editor, and right now this is the default page. In a minute I will show you guys run dev. It should be display the default page inside my web page. Yeah, great. So let's reset the codes. First of all, I need to remove the app.css, and I need to remove C. So inside that I will display the sign in component sign in. I will create this one package, and I'm gonna also reset it. So you need to create a component like sign in. So I will create a folder inside the source components. Inside there I need to create a file sign in.jsx. Same thing I'm going to do on there is sign in page. So I need to import this one on there. Import, this is the app.jsx guys. So inside that you need to import sign in from there. So we need to save it, and yeah, the content are up here. The next thing I need to get the Google fonts. So I will get the Google fonts because I will use the CSS, pure CSS guys. Josephine has and Poppins, right? So let's start to design the login and sign up form, right? So I don't need this one guys, just to use sign in. So in the sign in you need to, in a minute, class container. Inside the container I will use the form container as well. Form container, I will use login form, leave the action. Inside that I will use input type is text, placeholder is enter your email or username. The next thing I need to get it password, right? So I'm going to make it as a duplicate and I will use password. And also I will add it inside the divs because I will add the icon as well. So class name form control, that is our first one. And the next one I will get same copy, but I need to change the type is password. Enter your password on there, right? The next thing I need to add the button. So button sign in. After the form I will use the text inside the paragraph. Don't have account, please, or you can write any text as you want. So I'm going to use here, please sign up, right? So save and look at that. Yeah, the contents are up here inside there, and yeah, great. So let's design it, but before designing it I will add the fonts, React fonts. So you need to open the website like reacticon.github.io. so inside that you need to get the username. So I'll get the user I think this username CI user like this one. Yeah, I will get it, import, but before using it you need to install it in a minute. So I'm gonna install npm install, like this one, and then I will reuse it. So I'm gonna copy the user icon, cut user like this one, get it, and I need to import inside there, and I'm gonna passing the parameters CI user. I'm gonna passing the props, guys, same thing, and you need to receive the props on there, then you need to call it. So I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste it inside there. So it should be display the icon. Okay, I need to restart my there. So it should be display the icon. So let's open it, and I can't see the icons. And so in Vlad inspect the calling function, and you need to forget to export your component. Okay, I need to save it, and I don't know why it doesn't. Yeah guys, as you can see the icon has been up here, and yeah, we need to get the password icon as well. So I'll get this one, and the password, which icon I'll use. Okay, I will use the lock like this one. So you need to get it, and same thing, you need to pass the parameter on there. Just a minute, you need to import it, but you need to don't do the same thing, just import same thing inside the projects, inside the React icons. So we will use the CI users and CI logs. CI log as the props, same thing, I'm gonna pass on there, CI logs. So you need to receive the props inside there, and then you need to call it. So I'm gonna copy paste, just change the prop name, save, and what happened? Just a minute, I need to save that, and it should be displayed. Yeah, the log and icon have been appeared inside the input field. So let's move on the CSS to design it. So then we will work on that. So padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box, and I want to display the content in the center, so I need to select the body and use display flags. Just effect on the center, align item center. We need to use min height 100 VH, and also I will use the background color is light gray, so it should be displayed in the center and have a light gray color. Good. Font family also I will use just fin, sans, and sensitive. Yeah, great guys. Let's select the form container like this one class. So inside that I need to use the background color is white, and I will use the width 450 pixel. I will use the padding all side 2 rem to make a space. Also I will use the box shadow 0, 1 pixel, 2 pixel RGBA 0.5, and border radius I will use 5. Let's select the form container H2 tag. I will use the font size 2.5 rem. I will use the padding top and bottom 1 rem, left and right 0. Text align, it should be displayed the center. And then we need to save it now. Let's see what happened. Yeah, great guys. Then the next one, you need to select your form and you need to make a space. So you need to use margin top and bottom 0 and left and right. Top and bottom 2 and left and right 0. Select the form container, form control. Right now I'm gonna leave this one this time because I will add the icon, so I will understand. I'll teach you how you can manage the icon to display inside the input field. So let's see. Select the form control. Inside that I have an input field, so you need to use width 100%. I will use the border 1 pixel, solid DDD. Font family I will use inherit. Font size I will use 1.2 rem, and padding I will use top and bottom 0.775 2 rem. And also I'll use the margin bottom 1 rem. Last thing I'm gonna add is border radius 5 pixels. So we need to save it, and okay, it doesn't work right now guys, I don't know why. Form control, so it's form control, it's class mistake guys. Form, yeah guys, as you can see, right, and solid, so it should be displayed. Yeah guys, so I need to move the icons inside the input field. So first thing, you need to select the font control and use position is related. Then the next thing, you need to select the icon. So I will assign the class icon, this will be password, and same thing, I'm gonna get it and paste on there. Icon, this will be user. So I will target the icon inside the font control. So I need to use the position is absolute, and then I will use it will move the left 0.05 pixel, and top it will move in 10 pixel. And then we need to save, and look at that guys, I will increase the font size so it should be displayed perfect on there. 1.5 rem is best. Right now as you can see guys, don't focus on these red icons. This is by my extensions icons. Don't focus on that. Last thing and final one is form have a button tag, right? So you need to use with 100%. Background color is
okay, clear, outline none, border is none, font family is inherit, and I will use color will be white, padding top and bottom 1 and left and 0, and also I will use the margin top is 1 rem, font size I will use 1.2 rem, and just a minute. Okay, and first we need to save it, and let's look at that. Yeah, great guys. And also I will use the cursor pointer, border radius also I will use 50 pixels. Yeah, great guys. So this is our simple login form. So we will use same thing to create a sign up form. We will use same styling and same thing, but we will change the values and so on and so forth. But before moving on the sign up form, I will add few more things inside. That is active, means I will click on the button. So I will add the property like transform scale 0.9 and save. Click on that. Yeah, it's working guys, as you can see. Right, so let's move on the sign up. So I will use the same thing to create a sign up JSX. So I need to get all of the code and paste on there, and just change it as sign up. And yeah, I will pass the same parameter, but I will use sign up, export, and we need to import this one, sign up. So this will be sign up. So right now I will, in a minute, I will make a copy, and the first one is I will hide it, and this will be sign up. So first we need to check it's working or not. So let's see. Yeah, so I need to change the sign up like this one. Yeah, great. So inside the sign up we need to add the username, email, password, right? So we just include another property inside there. So I will get it. Okay, I also change it as I already have an account. Please sign in, right? So save, and look at that, right? And also I will change this one, please sign up. Great. So let's increase the, so first one, enter your username, enter your email. Yeah, so we need to get the email code from this one icon. So let's see, email. So I will get this one. So I will import it inside the sign up, and I will use it. Okay, I will use this, will be on there. So it should be display email. Yeah, the email is a peer email icon. So yeah guys, so this is our complete login registration form, but we will use the few things inside there. So step number 1, you need to move on the app.js, right? So inside that you need to make a state const, and you need to use form set form, use state. So right now I will assign the default is login. Then I will add the condition form sign in login, then display the login form. In just a minute I will use very simple way. Return, I will use just a minute, right? So get it, Also I will comment it. I will show you. I'll use return React fragment. I will use it, and inside that I will use the JavaScript mode, and then I'm going to check it from equal to is login, then display the sign in component like this one, copy and paste on there. Otherwise display the sign up form. That's it, right? But we will use the function to manage our content. So first we need to see, okay, it's working. But when I will click on the this one text, then I will move the sign up form, right? So let's pass the set form as a props. So I'm going to use form handle and pass the set form. Same thing I'm going to pass on the sign up. So we need to receive that inside the sign in. First thing is you need to get form handle, and inside there I will use on click when user will click on it. So I just need to select the form handle and assign the value is sign up, and then you need to use same thing in the sign up. So the first one, you need to get the form handle as a props, and then you need to copy, and inside it already have an account, on click, and then you need to sign in or login. I'll use the login, I think. Yeah, great. So let's see, click on it. Yeah guys, click on it. Yeah, great. So it's working, guys. So let's add the function to manage our content, right? So in the sign in, like there, I will use the state const. The first one is the user, set user, use state, and the default is nothing, and then const password, set password. Same thing I'm gonna use state, right? I will create a function handle login and passing the parameters. The first one is I will use e.prevent default that help us to save the reloading inside the form. Means you don't need to see the reloading inside our web page, inside our form, so it help us. Then you need to copy the function name and use on submit function and pass on there. That's it. So the next one is you need to pass the value username and password inside the input fields. So inside the input field I need to use on change, execute the function. So I need to use set the username. So in the username I need to use e.target.value. The value will store inside the username. Same thing, I'm gonna get it like this one, and I'm gonna paste on the on change. Like I need to use curly bracket as well. So you need to use set password. So both values will store inside our set user and set password. So inside the handle login I will use console.log, and let's see what happened when I will call the user and password, right? And last and final one is I will also add the event on click, and then I will call the handle login function, right? So let's move on the first one page and open the console, and I'm going to use admin, hit enter. I have been getting only one value. Why? User password, set password in a minute. I need to check that. Okay guys, here's my mistake. So I used it inside the C log, so I need to pass it inside the input field. So and yeah, let's try it one more time. Right now I'm able to see the password and username have been appeared inside the console. So when user will enter the button or submit the form, then I will use the method to remove the text from the input field. So you need to target it, set user, the default value is nothing, and then you need to use set password is nothing. So it should display empty fields when you will submit the form. So admin. Okay, what? Just a minute. I have been missing, but okay, I don't know why it's doing it right now. So I need to run submit. Set user. Okay guys, the problem is I need to assign the value as well. So the first one is user, so the next one I get it, and I'm gonna pass on there is password. Right, so it should be displayed perfect on the so let's try it one more time. Admin. Right now, as you can see guys, both fields data have been appeared inside the console and you can't see anything else inside the input field. So we will use same tactics inside the sign up form. So let's move on the sign up form, and the sign up form I need to get the same thing that I used it, copy, and I'm gonna paste on there. And yeah, so the first one, user, set username, password, and also I'll get the email as well. Set email. So okay, I will use the on submit, calling the handle sign up. I will change the name, right? And I will use same function on there, on click to execute the function, and that is our password. So I will use on change function e set password a dot target dot value, right? And also I will add the value is password, right? So I will get it, copy, and I'm going to paste on there. This will what is email, set email, and the first one, and that is our third one. So in the third one I will get it and I'm going to paste on there. In the third one I need to add the what, a username, right? Just like the user. Yeah, great. So yeah, we will display it also first name inside the console, so it should be displayed perfect on the web page. So let's try it. I'm gonna open it. User not defined. Okay, I need to import the user state on there, so it should be remove the error. Yeah, refresh my page, move on, sign up, admin. Okay, I don't know what happened on there. So let's see on submit handle sign up and input field on change set. This is the username, guys. User set user admin @OnlineITtuts, and password ID is 123456, and hit enter. I receive the details inside the console, and we need to remove the property like email as well. So set user, and we need to target the set email, and that's it for login or registration form, guys. So first I will move on the sign up, admin ITtuts.com 123456, hit enter. Right now, as you can see, but when you will enter without filling in details inside the input fields like this one, you have received the empty fields inside the console, so you need to fix that. So let's see how you can fix it. Inside the function, after the e.prevent default, you need to call the if statement and use not username, not user, or not password, or not what is the next one, email. So return means in these fields you can't see any data, so display nothing. So let's see, press, as you can see, you can't see anything else inside the console. Same thing you need to do on the sign in, and just remove user and password, and just remove this one. Yeah, great. So let's refresh it and press it. You can't see any changes inside there, but you will enter admin. You see the details. Don't sign up. Yeah, so that's it, guys, for login and registration form. I hope you understood as well all about it. So thank you.